Hello everyone! Are you ready to increase your trade win rate with 2 free TradingView indicators? In this video, I'll show you an amazing strategy that delivers incredible results. If you're ready to take your trading performance to the next level, stay with me until the end of this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As always, you need to log into the TradingView website and select the chart section. Then go to the symbol section and choose your symbol. Since this is a scalping strategy, I recommend selecting one of the 1 minute, 5 minute or 15 minute time frames. I leave the choice of time frame up to you. Next, we need to add our first indicator to the chart. To do this, go to the indicator tab and type Alpha Trend Scanner in the search box. When you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. Now we need to make some changes to it. So go to its settings and make the adjustments you see to make this indicator suitable for our scalping strategy. Once the settings for this indicator are complete, I need to give you some explanations about it. This indicator shows us buy and sell signals, and with its help, we can have optimal and very good entry points for our trades. Whenever you see a buy signal on the chart, you can use it to enter a buy trade. However, be careful to place your stop loss in the right place to avoid significant losses. When you see a sell signal on the chart, you can use it to enter a sell trade and make substantial profits. But I always remind you that one indicator is not enough to build a strategy, and we must have at least 2 indicators. So to add the second indicator, go back to the indicator tab and type Kaufman Moving Average Adaptive. When you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. Now, as always, go to the settings of this indicator and make the necessary changes. Now that we have done everything, let me tell you how to use this indicator. In fact, this indicator is a moving average that we use it to identify trends and determine the market direction. Whenever the price candles are above this line, we consider the trend to be bullish and look for signals to enter a buy trade at these points. When the price candles are below this line, we realize that we are in a bearish trend, and as long as the price doesn't touch this line again, we can be sure that our bearish trend continues. At these points, we can look for signals to enter a sell trade. Well, I've told you everything you need to know except how to enter our trades and where to place our stop loss and take profit. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I've created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. Let's start with the buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal on the chart, which the alpha trend indicator does for us. Then we need to make sure that this buy signal is valid. This is where the second indicator, Kaufman, comes into play. With the help of this indicator, we make sure that at this point, the candles are above the moving average line, indicating a bullish and continuing trend. If these 2 conditions are met, we realize that we have found the right entry point. Now we need to set a stop loss for our trade. We have 2 ways. The first is to find the last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. The second method is to place our stop loss a little above the Kaufman indicator line. You can choose one of these. Now we can safely enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, just consider 1.5 times the distance from the entry point to the stop loss, or in simpler terms, we can consider our risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5. Now the only thing left is to wait for the trade to close with a profit. For sell orders, we need to do the opposite of buy orders. That means first we need to look for a sell signal, which we can see on the chart. The next step is to make sure that we are in a downtrend and all the candles at these points are below the moving average line. If these two conditions are met, we realize that we have found the right entry point for the trade. Now we can place our stop loss a little above the last swing high. Now we can enter the sell trade, and for the take profit, just set our risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5. Now we need to wait for the trade to close with a profit. Now that we have reviewed all the steps of this strategy together, I hope that using it can help improve your trading performance. I remind you that success in trading requires practice and continuous analysis, and there is no guaranteed strategy for success. But with the appropriate tools and risk management, you can increase your chances of successful trades. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and share your comments with me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the new tutorials and strategies I share. Until the next video, goodbye!